Click on the link below to get price. The Rockford Fosgate HD9813RG Stage 3 digital media receiver, paired with its comprehensive 4-speaker and amplifier kit, represents a powerful upgrade for any car audio enthusiast. This kit is designed specifically for Harley-Davidson models, delivering a blend of exceptional sound quality and robust performance, tailored for open road experiences. Starting with the digital media receiver, the HD9813RG offers a sleek design, which integrates seamlessly with the aesthetics of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Its vibrant, high-resolution display is easy to read in various lighting conditions, enhancing usability while riding. The intuitive interface allows for quick navigation through music libraries, whether streaming via Bluetooth, USB, or SD card. The inclusion of AM/FM radio ensures you can enjoy your favorite stations, even when cellular signals are weak. The sound quality is where this kit truly shines. The 4 speakers, engineered specifically for motorcycle environments, provide crystal-clear audio with a surprising depth. The 6.5-inch full-range speakers deliver a rich sound profile, while the tweeters ensure the highs are crisp without being harsh. Powering this system is a robust amplifier that enhances performance, allowing for high volume levels without distortion, even at highway speeds. Installation is straightforward, especially for those familiar with aftermarket audio components. The kit comes with all necessary wiring and mounting gear, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts. The instructions are clear, allowing for a smooth setup process. One notable feature is the weather-resistant design, which offers peace of mind for riders facing the elements. This durability does not compromise sound quality, ensuring that every ride is accompanied by an immersive audio experience. Overall, the Rockford Fosgate HD9813RG Stage 3 kit is a top-tier choice for Harley-Davidson owners looking to elevate their audio experience. It combines reliable technology, ease of installation, and impressive sound performance, making it a worthwhile investment for any motorcycle aficionado.